Welcome to our in-depth review of Canva Magic Studio, a revolutionary tool from Canva that leverages AI to transform your creative workflow. Canva Magic Studio is designed to make content creation more accessible and efficient, especially for those looking to elevate their visual content without extensive design experience. In this video, we'll explore the capabilities, pricing, and real-world applications of Canva Magic Studio, addressing common questions and pain points users have about this innovative tool. Canva Magic Studio boasts powerful AI features that can convert images into videos, upscale content, and even assist in logo creation. The AI-driven interface is user-friendly, allowing designers and non-designers alike to produce high-quality visuals with minimal effort. We'll delve into how these AI capabilities work, their limitations, and what you can realistically expect from using Canva Magic Studio for your content creation needs. A crucial aspect for any potential user is the cost. Canva Magic Studio offers various plans, including a free version, making it accessible to a wide range of users. However, the free version comes with limitations, such as watermarks on exported content and restricted access to premium features. We'll break down the pricing models, discussing which plan might be best for your specific needs, whether you're an individual, small business, or enterprise. One of the most intriguing features of Canva Magic Studio is its ability to turn static images into engaging videos and upscale lower-resolution images. This can be a game-changer for social media content, presentations, and marketing materials. We'll explore how well these features work, providing examples and discussing the quality of the output, as well as any limitations you might encounter, such as file size restrictions or the need for additional editing software for more complex projects. For those new to design or looking to get the most out of Canva Magic Studio, tutorials and learning resources are essential. Canva offers a comprehensive guide and community support, but we'll also discuss third-party resources and tips for mastering the platform quickly. This includes tricks for optimizing your designs, troubleshooting common issues, and staying updated with the latest features and best practices. In conclusion, Canva Magic Studio represents a significant step forward in democratizing access to high-quality content creation tools. While it offers impressive AI-driven features, ease of use, and a flexible pricing model, it's not without its limitations. We'll summarize the strengths and weaknesses of Canva Magic Studio, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your project. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the world of digital content creation,